Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Frank, and in today's video we're going to be doing some fishing. Finally got my fishing license, and you're watching the Frank in the Forest YouTube channel. Let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. I'll see you guys down at the lake. Alright guys, we are here at the lake. Got my fishing pole ready. I'm using some live bait today, so just a worm on a hook here. My last fishing video, a lot of people were telling me to just switch to live bait for trout, so I'm going to give a shot here today, see if I catch anything. And there is a highway that's like literally just right there, which kind of sucks. Kind of bad actually. I don't really like being this close to the highway. I do want to do some fishing, so alright guys, we're going to move spots. I'm not really having any luck over here, and I'm kind of afraid that I'm going to fall in. And it's pretty steep right there. But we're going to go over here to this flat spot and try to catch a fish. Yeah, this feels like a way better spot. Well guys, I've been out here for about 3 hours, just kind of worm fishing. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit before I go. I'm gonna try this lure, do a little bit of lure fishing. Haven't had any luck with any lures before, but didn't have any luck with that worm either, so just cast this out a couple of times and see if we get any bites. I probably won't be doing this long. I'm getting kind of needing to get back up to the campsite. Yeah guys, I'm gonna just call it a day. Been out here for about 3 hours, didn't catch a single thing, didn't even like get a single bite. I've been using the same worm. Well, actually I used 2 worms. My first worm actually I think died on me, so I switched it out. The lure, no luck with it. I think I'm just an awful fisherman, unfortunately. Maybe I just don't have the patience. I don't know, but no luck. And this traffic noise is kind of driving me crazy too. I will catch a fish this year, I promise. Even if I have to like hire a fisherman coach or something crazy, I will get a fish. But just not today. A couple of things I kind of want to do today before the day ends. I honestly kind of feel like my videos are getting pretty samey lately, but I'm just out here living my nomad life. This is just kind of how it is sometimes. But pretty soon, well, not pretty soon, but in May, the parks start opening up, and I'll be able to just go to the state parks. There are some state parks around here, but it's like this, there's like a cave thing, like the Cavern State Park, but the caverns aren't open until May, so can't really do that. Man, I'm just kind of bummed out I didn't catch a fish. I'm like sitting here complaining. Yeah, but I'll see you guys at camp. All right, so I got my spoon here. Been working on it a little bit. Basically, I'm just going to pick up right where I left off. It's still pretty basic shaped. I tried to do something with the bowl there, but I probably am gonna modify that probably quite a bit. Yeah, let's just get straight to it. So it needs to be significantly thinner. So I'm gonna just kind of thin it down some. Yeah, so here we go. Old spoon, new spoon. I mean, they're not too different. They're pretty similar still. I mean, but I think this one would be better for actually like eating off of. Has a little bit bigger of a bowl, longer handle. This one's just short, stubby. I like them both, honestly. I'll probably just keep making some fine tunes to this one. Like it needs to be just kind of like a little bit easier to handle. It's still not like super comfortable in the hand. But this one isn't really super comfortable either. Hey, I've made 2 spoons so far. Pretty cool. Kind of proud of myself. They both just kind of look like really rough, random spoons. Maybe I could come in here on the bottom of it, kind of like give it like a little bit of like a shape. So it's kind of like more scoop efficient. But I think this spoon, the second one, is a lot better than the first one. I don't know, on camera, it's like this one actually looks kind of better. Maybe thin down the edges a little bit more on this. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna just call it for now. All right, guys, time to get dinner started. Today we're just gonna do some noodles. Let's see, some mini Farelli noodles, little bow tie things. Got some Italian sausage and just some whatever this is, meat sauce, pasta sauce. Plus, I'm gonna throw in a little banana peppers just to mix it up a little bit. That's pretty much it for dinner. Keeping it real simple, nothing crazy today. Get my water boiled up. That's pretty much it. Just a baked, well, not even really baked, but just kind of like a pasta noodle sauce kind of dinner. Okay, so everything's pretty much fully cooked. Just gonna throw a little bit of cheese on there and then get at it. Too much juice in there because now it's like real slimy. Just gonna let that evaporate. I forgot to add the sauce in a second ago, so I panicked and just kind of threw it in there. I think that's done. All right, taste test time. See how it goes. Some cheese, some pepper, some noodle, get it all on there. That's pretty good. Yeah, this is pretty good actually. Another meal. You know, it's like sometimes I'll be standing in the grocery store just kind of like staring at everything and just be like, what should I cook today? And this is what I picked out last time I went to the grocery store. And it was a pretty good choice, I think. And it's super simple. Just like 3 or 4 ingredients. Boom, done. But yeah. I'm gonna sit here and eat this. See you guys here in a little bit. I almost forgot, guys. I picked this up the other day. It's by Big Sky Brewing Company. It is a huckleberry flavored beer. Montana absolutely loves huckleberry flavored everything, and I'm here for it. I'm a huge huckleberry fan. I cannot wait until the huckleberries come in season. I'm gonna have at least like a 2-liter full, or like a milk jug full of huckleberries. That's the plan. But Big Sky Brewing, let's give it a taste. Been waiting for this. Pretty good. Huckleberry flavored. Strong huckleberry flavor too, which is great. That was good. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and finish eating. Well guys, even though I didn't catch a fish today, I still hope you enjoyed watching the video. And again, thank you guys so much for helping me reach 250 subscribers. I'm just gonna sit here for the rest of the night, watch the sun go down, then probably go to bed when it does. So, hey, if you like this kind of stuff, be sure to like and subscribe. I do promise you, I plan on going fishing again really soon, probably actually in the next video. So, I will catch a fish very soon. Hopefully, I say that, but I got a fishing license now, so it's like chances of me fishing more are way more higher. But thanks for watching. See you guys next week.